Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago and in today's video I give you my 4x1 airdrop strategy that I am doing right now. I'm going to show you exactly how I am doing everything and how I am applying to 4 airdrops with one platform and doing one thing only. This is not a free strategy, you will need some capital to farm these airdrops, but it's going to be super easy with this tool and this is exactly what I am doing right now. Let's go directly to the content. And yes, these airdrops are all Perpetual DEX airdrops, but if you are not doing right now those because you don't know how to trade and all that, don't worry because you don't need to have any experience trading in order to do the strategy that I'm going to show you here. The application that I'm going to use is something that was commented on a previous video. This is TreadFI, and in this platform you have the ability to use some bots that is going to automatically trade for you. But with that we are going to be generating volume and applying to different airdrops of Perpetual DEXs. So let me show you how you can do all this and what I am doing exactly. First, this is right now the market on Perpetual DEXs. I ordered it per volume on the last 30 days. So we still have Hyperliquid as the first Perpetual DEX on the list. Haster Lighter is at position 3. And I'm still focusing on Perpetual DEXs because I had a very great lighter airdrop with very little effort. And we have EdgeX, ApeX Protocol, ShearBT. We continue farming ShearBT. But for the purpose of this video, the airdrops that I am doing right now is Paradex is the main one that I am farming with this strategy. We also have extended, like you can see on the last 24 hours, 1 billion in volume. So Paradex extended, I am not doing variational here, but I am doing also Pacifica. This is from Solana, so I like to do it differently. And the fourth one is Nado or Nado. So this is a very under the radar Perpetual DEX change, but right now you can see how it scaled it to position 12 with 366 million trading volume on the last 24 hours. So we are going to be farming those 4 projects, and in fact we are going to be farming TreadFI itself. So if we want to be fair, this video is a 5x1 airdrop. So let's go and check everything, how I am doing all this. If you don't know about Nado or Nado, you can go to Nado HQ. This is the official X account. Or of course you can go to the official website if you're not familiar with this project. The first thing that you will need to do, guys, for this video is that you need to create your accounts. So the way that TreadFI works is that basically you connect your different Perpetual accounts. You give access to TreadFI to use those accounts. So first of all, go here from this link that I will be posting. Remember that everything is in the first link of the description. You go to Paradex, deposits on funds. You go to extended deposit funds and do the same with Pacifica and Nado. So once you have all these projects with capital in their accounts, then you will be able to do the strategy that I am going to show you here. For the purpose of the video, I'm going to only show you with Paradex because the computer that we use to film this project is not actually the one with my real wallet for a question of security. But don't worry, you are going to understand how to do everything. So once you are here, you need to log in, of course, to TreadFI. The link is in the description. And once you connect your wallet, you are going to see this dashboard. This looks very similar to any other Perp DEX platform, but you have a ton of options that you can check here, from portfolio, algo swap, options, chain orders. You can check your orders here on the orders section. Then you will be able to go to analytics and see everything that you have been doing on the platform. You have the explore section, you have the points section. So here in points you have the weekly volume, so you can see how you are doing this week. If you get one of these goals, level 1, 2 and 3, you will have some boost on your volume. And the total points, these are the points for TreadFI itself, so we probably will have some airdrops at some point. So this is really a 5x1 airdrop strategy. So you also have your point history and all that here. You have some referrals, bot section, which is what we are going to do after. And right now, first of all, you need to go to this wallet icon and you need to add your accounts. For the purpose of the video, I only have Paradex here, but in my main one, I have the 4 that I am farming. So go down here you can connect CX account, you can connect the DX wallet, but also a Perp DX account. So click on select wallet, and from here you can see the ones that we are farming and the ones that are available right now on this platform: Hyperliquid, Haster, Pacifica, Paradex, Extended, and Nedd. So like I say, I am doing Pacifica, Paradex, Extended, and Nedd right now on this platform. So these are the 4 that I am farming, plus TreadFI itself. And I am doing more on Paradex and Pacifica because I think those are the first airdrops that are going to be rewarded here. Extended and Nedd are a little bit more new, so we have time to farm those, but I am doing this strategy with these 4. So add all these 4, you can put an account name and then click on connect wallet, so you connect your wallet to this account. After you connect all your accounts, guys, you will see that you will be able to select those different exchanges on this platform. So what we want to do is go to bot. Once you click here, you see market maker bot or delta neutral bot. You can go to delta neutral bot. Basically what you do here is you select account. In one place you can put Paradex and select account, and you can put, for example, Pacifica on the other one. Then you can select the pair. Let's say that you want to do, I don't know, BNB per DX USDC here, and you select the same on the other side. So you will be doing long and short the same asset on 2 different platforms. Then you put the nominal, so how much you want to do this. The thing is that on this delta neutral you need to put at least $500, and then here you need to put the duration. So if you have $500 to do this, I would recommend you to use it. It's very good strategy to do it here. But if you put 100, you can see minimum notional is $500. So you will need to have that capital on Paradex at this point and in Pacifica to do this strategy with this bot on the delta neutral strategy. And after you do that, you will be able to click here on start trading and launch this bot. Remember, guys, you also can do it with the same account, but my recommendation is to put, for example, Paradox in a long, and you can short on Pacifica. So you apply to 2 exchanges at the same time on the same trading bot. And after that, you just need to wait and see how this works. All the information, estimated fees, for example, $0.2. You can see target amount, 500, and all the different information is here. This strategy lasts 1 hour. That is the time that we put here. So you can do this, or you can do the other strategy with the market maker bot, which is what I am using also, and more. So go here to market maker bot, and it's the same. You can select more than 1 account, but I will do it just with Paradex. So I select Paradex here, and then I will select the pair that I want. You can filter here only for Paradex, but for the purpose of the video, I will go with Bitcoin. I see that is the more stable, so I recommend you can do it also with Bitcoin right now. Then you need to put the margin. At this moment, I have $136 on this account for testing, so I will put the margin of 100. You can change the leverage here. I will put 20x. So what I will have with volume is $40,000 of volume. That is great, because what you want for this strategy is use volume for the different Perp DX exchanges. Participation rate, you can see a lot of details about this on the documentation, but I will recommend you to leave everything as is, as default, until you have more experience on all this. But for participation rate, the safest way is to do it on passive. So you will have 30 minutes open this. The only con is that maybe your orders are not filled. That also happens. So if you want to make it super aggressive, you can do it here with 5 minutes. The normal is 10 minutes on this strategy, and then passive 30 minutes. Initially, only this, change it to passive. I think the rest is going to be as default. The reference price, there's also very important things to check here. You can go to the official documentation. I will leave the link too. So you can go here, market maker bot, and you will see all the advanced settings and everything that you need to do. It's everything explained here. So you can check what participation rate is, the different settings. I recommend you passive for start. Then you also can check if you want the reference price for mid price, grid, or blend. Again, go here, read everything if you want to be sure about what you are doing, but I would recommend you to leave it on mid price initially. Eventually you can move it to grid, which is a little better. Directional bias, you can leave neutral, so you will be doing basically a delta neutral strategy. If you want, you can also short or long, but for the purpose of this strategy, leave it on neutral. You can leave your stop loss 10%. I think that is really fair. And you have your spread. Also, if you put between 1 and 2, you will be closing this sooner. If you put it to 10, then you need to wait for a 10 BPS spread, which could happen or not. So as much as you add here, you may need to wait more on your operations. But again, the spread is also explained on the documentation. You can go there on detail. But this is a very good setup that I have been using, like you can see on the history. The other thing is that on the right side you can see fee estimated is 0.8 on this case, so 80 cents. And the max loss that I could have on this bot, it will be $10 because it of course is going to be closing before I lose more. Duration 30 minutes, participation rate 1%. So once you are done, just click on start trading. You can see market maker submit successfully. Now you need to wait to the order to be filled. These are not market orders, these are limit orders, so you don't encourage the big expanded here. So you can see volume already starting here, so you will probably start to see that this is filling. Remember, this is going to take 30 minutes. And I already tested a little bit, guys, before doing the video, so you could see this. I use it XRP, I use it Bitcoin, and I also use it Solana, but with the one that I lose less money is with Bitcoin, which is more stable and less volatile for this neutral strategy. You can see on this one I pay $1.2 and the PNL was 0.30 negative, so basically $1.50 cost me to make 40k on volume on this bot. But this depends. Sometimes, like you can see here, I did money $2.24 and I have some 50 cents on fee, so on this one I did money. And time to time, if you are sure, you can just do a long or a short, and with some basic stuff you can cover all these fees that you have on this neutral strategy. But you can see some of them is only 15 cents, but the PNL was $4 on XRP. The one that I lose less is using Bitcoin, so in this case I only had 30 cents on fee, but $2.42 on the PNL. So remember, even if you are using a delta neutral, it's not exactly like that, because depends a lot of market movement, and you need to have your orders filled, because these are not market orders. But yeah, sometimes you can do it great or not so great, but at this point I have this account with $150. I am $14 down at this moment, but on this account, if I go to points, you can see that I did 350k in volume, which is not bad. So if you put some effort and some attention on the bot, you actually can even make money on this, but at least you just want to cover the expenses on the fees and the PNL if it's negative. So time to time you can play with the short and long for this bot too. You also can try it aggressive instead of passive that lasts 30 minutes. But in any case, again, you can read the documentation for the advanced settings. But doing what I am doing here, you are going to be fine. Even Paradex don't have fees for these limit orders, but the fee that you see is also from TreadFI itself. So we are paying a little bit of fees to use this bot and to use the platform, but you are participate on their airdrop too. They have a leaderboard, so they are probably going to do an airdrop at some point. And I think the platform works really well. You also can do this on spot, not only on perpetuals, but again, you can check more things about TreadFI going into the documentation. So with this, guys, ends the tutorial. You have open here your bot on the market maker of TreadFI using a neutral strategy. So you are only paying a little bit on the fees, and depending on the market velocity, some PNL negative or positive on your neutral delta strategy. Okay guys, that is all for this video. I'm sharing a 5-per-1 strategy if you count TreadFI itself for the airdrop using 4 Perpetual DEXs. Again, Lighter was an amazing airdrop, so I think we can take advantage with TreadFI and using this tool with those 4 exchanges that I think are going to give a very nice airdrop, the 4 of them. Guys, I'm not paid by TreadFI, this is not a sponsored video. This is me just sharing my strategy that I use with this platform. So 5/1 airdrop, and again, do your own research. I don't have any affiliation with this project besides the fact that I found it very interesting and I am using it here. That will be all for this video, and if you want this alpha and more before everyone else and chat with me and many other crypto farmers on my community, you can join to my private Discord at cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions or check the links on the description. The second link is for the subscriptions. The first link is for all the links that you saw on this video, and you can join there with the link to TreadFI so you support the channel. We also have an airdrop application and more that we can share on my private Discord. That will be all, guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications. I will see you in the next video.